Welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to prevent comments on a Facebook post. Whether you're trying to keep things private, avoid unwanted opinions, or simply control who interacts with your updates, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into the account where the post is located. Once you're on your main feed, scroll until you find the post you'd like to control. This could be something you've already shared or plan to manage later. Next, look at the top right corner of your post. You'll see 3 small dots. This is the settings menu for that particular post. Go ahead and tap those 3 dots. A list of options will appear on your screen. From that list, select the option that says who can comment on your post. This is where the real control happens. Facebook gives you a few choices here, allowing you to decide who can interact through comments. If you want to completely prevent comments, choose Only Me. This means you'll be the only one able to comment, keeping the conversation locked down to yourself. If you prefer to keep some engagement but still limit it, select Friends. This lets only the people on your friends list leave comments, while blocking everyone else, including the public, and pages that aren't connected to you. Once you've made your choice, your settings will save automatically. You can confirm it by revisiting the post and checking that the comment options are now restricted. And that's it. In just a few taps, you can decide exactly who gets to comment on your Facebook posts, giving you more control, privacy, and peace of mind while using the platform. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and useful social media tips. Thanks for watching.